Hi everyone, it's day 16 of the 90-day health and wellbeing challenge. I've been up the gym, so started early this morning. I went to a session of yoga, my very first yoga session. Wow, I discovered muscles and areas of my body that I've never discovered before. It was incredible. Stretching, it was hard. I found it quite difficult, the movements. However, at the end of it, I felt really stretched and flexible. It was a really, really good feeling. After that, I went to the walking machine and I did an hour on the walking machine and burnt 370 calories, which is incredible. So that gives me more flexibility through the day into the diet that I eat. Hi, Aldona. Great to see you here. So, yoga, a workout on the walking machine, and I'm back here now for I think about 11 o'clock in the morning, so that's really good. So I've done 2 hours at the gym, and what I wanted to talk about was this. I didn't write this in my ideal day, and I was only thinking about that this morning, and I don't think many of us wrote into our ideal day spend 1 to 2 hours at the gym. However, what we did write into our ideal days was feeling good, high energy, movement throughout the day, feeling great in our clothes. You're visualizing that place of feeling confident, having high self-esteem, feeling great in your clothes, walking around and going out and doing what you have to do throughout your day. Those are the type of things that you write into your ideal day, not right, today I'm going to go and spend 2 hours at the gym, because that's not my ideal day. Working hard and going through some pain and feeling exhausted and sweating is not my ideal day. However, what I do like is the results that it's giving me. And day 16, I'm starting to feel those results already. I'm feeling stronger. I'm feeling mentally better and more prepared. I'm feeling more energetic. I'm excited now and enthusiastic as to the look and feel of myself in particular clothes. So it's always the result that you get as a result of the hard work or the work that you put in. And manifesting is awesome, or the steps leading up to manifesting. In other words, the meditation, the visualization, the imagination is all part of the journey, but you can't just do that on its own. It always takes action, and it's really made it clear to me today by being in that gym doing yoga and seeing how unflexible I am, the work that's required to increase my flexibility of my body. And it's going to take work. There's no amount of meditation or visualization or imagination that's going to change my body. Changing my body is going to take work, it's going to take diet, and it's going to take exercise. It's going to take a certain regime. And it's the same with our business. It's the same as we work our business. It's going to take work, it's going to take focus, it's going to take energy, and it's going to take all those things that's required. Not always part of our ideal day, right? And it's nice to have that vision for what our ideal day looks like. I'm not in a full-time job anymore. I haven't been for 12 years. And my ideal day still consists of doing business, going to the gym, doing the work, remaining focused. Yes, I have freedom and flexibility. However, it's really important to understand and know that it takes a lot of work to get to that point. And so I just wanted to share that this morning. I feel very passionately about that. My ideal day was just never spending 2 hours doing yoga and on a walking machine. However, my ideal day is the results or the outcomes that it will give me. That's my share. Day 16, Health and Wellbeing Challenge. Everyone keep going. And thanks, Aldona, for being here. Talk to you all very soon. Bye, everyone.